Ever wondered how to make the perfect crispy fried chicken breasts at home? Well, the secret lies not just in the ingredients, but in the method of preparation as well. There's a certain satisfaction that comes with biting into a piece of chicken with an outer layer that's perfectly crispy and an inside that's tender and juicy. In this video, we'll be guiding you through the steps to achieving this culinary delight right in your own kitchen. Stay tuned to learn the secret to perfect, crispy, homemade fried chicken breasts. Before we start, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 chicken breasts cut into pieces. For the breading, prepare 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, and salt. If you like an extra kick, add half a teaspoon of cumin. To bind everything together, you'll need 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk. And of course, don't forget the oil for frying. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we can get started on the cooking process. The first step is to prepare our chicken and our coating. Start by heating your oil in a deep pot over medium heat, aiming for a temperature of around 180 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures that our chicken cooks thoroughly without burning the exterior. While our oil is heating, let's prepare our coating. In a bowl, combine flour, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, salt, and, if you fancy a bit of extra flavor, cumin powder. Stir them together until they are well mixed. This blend of spices gives our chicken its irresistible flavor and helps to create that perfect, crispy exterior. In a separate bowl, beat together 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk until you have a smooth, homogeneous mixture. This egg wash helps the flour mixture adhere to the chicken, contributing to the crispiness we're after. Next, it's time to coat our chicken. Dip each piece in the flour mixture, ensuring it's well coated on all sides. Then dip it into the egg wash and back into the flour mixture again. This double dipping process helps to create a thick, robust crust that will get wonderfully crispy in the hot oil. With our chicken prepared, we are ready to start frying. Remember, the key to a great fried chicken is a balance between a beautifully browned crust and a juicy, tender interior. So let's head over to the stove and get to it. Now comes the fun part, frying the chicken. This stage is all about turning that prepared chicken into a golden, crispy delight. But remember, safety first. Always be cautious when working with hot oil. Let's get started. First, you'll need to heat your oil in a deep pot over medium heat. A perfect temperature to aim for is 180 degrees Celsius. It's important not to rush this step. Patience is key to achieving that ideal golden brown crunch. Once your oil is heated, it's time to carefully place your chicken pieces into the pot. Now, you might be tempted to toss in all the pieces at once, but resist that urge. Instead, add the chicken gradually to avoid overcrowding the pot. This will ensure each piece gets evenly cooked and crisp to perfection. Now let's talk timing. Frying your chicken until it's golden and crispy on the outside and fully cooked on the inside may take around 6 to 8 minutes. But don't rely solely on the clock. Use your senses. Look for that appealing golden color. Listen for a steady sizzling sound and you'll know your chicken is just about done. Once finished, use a slotted spoon or a fryer basket to remove the chicken from the oil. Drain the excess oil on some kitchen paper to keep your chicken crispy, not greasy. And there you have it. Perfectly crispy, homemade fried chicken breasts. The irresistible crunch of the exterior, the juicy tenderness of the interior, it's a symphony of textures and flavors. So what are you waiting for? Dig in! So, that's how you make perfect, crispy, homemade fried chicken breasts. It's all about starting with quality chicken breasts, getting your spice blend just right, and ensuring a harmonious dance between the flour and egg mixture for that ultimate crispiness. Don't forget the importance of the right frying temperature, ensuring a golden exterior and a fully cooked interior. The beauty of this recipe is in its simplicity and versatility. It's a culinary canvas waiting for your creative input. Feel free to play around with the spices. Maybe add a splash of hot sauce in the egg mixture for a kick, or a sprinkle of Parmesan in the flour for a cheesy twist. This crispy homemade fried chicken breast is perfect for a family dinner, a picnic, or even a game night with friends. It's a crowd pleaser that never fails to impress. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your cooking, and remember, the secret to perfect, crispy, homemade fried chicken breasts is in the preparation and the frying.